I'm Will.
And today we're coming at you with another recipe from NeighborFoodblog.com.
That's right. And today, I don't want to brag because I don't like to be a hot dog, but we've got a good one. A good way to make hot dogs super quick in your air fryer.
Now, I know it seems a little bit like, really? A recipe for hot dogs in the air fryer? And truly, it is so easy, it feels a little bit silly, but these have been a game changer in our house, and we really wanted to share them with you.
If you've got kids, listen up. We're gonna show you how to make these hot dogs quick and easy and super, super delicious, so even the adults will like them.
Now, we really like to use all beef hot dogs, but of course you can use whatever kind of hot dog you like. We will say there is one special technique that we feel like makes these extra delicious.
That's right. If you like your hot dogs like I do, and you like them well done, or there's a little bit of char, that kind of bubbly and well done, you're gonna love this trick. You take the hot dog, you get a knife, and before you even cook the hot dog, you cut a little crisscross pattern in the skin, and that way there's extra crispiness, there's extra little edges and surface area to get bubbly and well done, and it holds whatever you top the hot dog with even that much better. So we're gonna cut those real quick.
Yep.
You can do whatever design you want, which is kind of cool. Maybe you can like write your name in there, I don't know. Share your photo of your cool hot dog cutting design.
Here's the V pattern.
Hashtag NeighborFoodie. NeighborFoodies, right? Instagram. Hashtag NeighborFoodies.
Yep.
And now, all we have to do is throw them in the good old air fryer, our new favorite kitchen appliance for quick family lunches. So, open that bad boy up. You're gonna throw 2 or 3 of them. We can fit all 4 in there.
Oh yeah.
No worries. We have plenty of space in there. And, whoops, I'm not gonna stir them up too much, but yeah, just space them out a little bit. And throw them in there for about, what do you say, 6 minutes? So I like them well done. Your air fryer might be a little different, but ours cooks, 390 degrees for about 6 minutes. Boom. Set the timer. 6 minutes.
There we go. See you in 6. All right, guys, it's been 6 minutes, and these look so delicious.
Ooh. Look at all them crispy edges. Now that the hot dogs are cooked, we're ready to put these on a bun. But if you like your buns toasted, like if you're the kind of person who puts them in the grill, go ahead and let's put these in the bun, and then we'll throw the whole thing back in the air fryer for another minute and heat the whole thing up. And then those buns will get nice and warm and toasty.
We are ready to put these back in the air fryer for just another minute or 2. Whoa. All right, let's check it out.
All right. They look the same, but those buns are nice and toasted.
And warm. All right, from here, you can add whatever your favorite toppings are. I personally just like some classic ketchup and mustard. What do you like?
I like a good Dijon on there, Dijon mustard, like ballpark mustard's real good. And when they're super hot like this, it's perfect for melting some cheese on there.
Ooh, yes.
Whatever
you like, the world is yours from here.
The world is yours. NeighborFoodblog.com. 2020.
See you next time. Signing off, I'm Courtney.
I'm Will.
And we're got more recipes for you at NeighborFoodblog.com.
Check
Don't
it out.
forget.
See you later.
Bye.
Words. Let me try again.
You told me you could read.
You can't read.
I'm taking forever.
We'll just fast forward this.
Okay.
You can... Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right. So you grab a knife. You grab your hot dog.
Actually, I don't even think I
Sorry.
can fit 3 in. Oh my goodness. think you're so funny.
I'm sorry. How's it feel? How's that wiener feel? How's the mouth feel of that wiener?
Oh.
You couldn't realistically expect me to make it through this whole video without making wiener jokes.
No, no.